Welcome back to our new video. So this is the last video of our economy series. And in this we will see how we can create delete account command. If you're interested in accessing the source code for this video, the entire playlist, or any other resources, you can visit my Patreon. There, you'll find high quality code without any errors at a very affordable price. You can also show your support by becoming a patron. Additionally, if you encounter any issues or need help, feel free to join our Discord server, where our team is ready to assist you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so we can keep bringing you more amazing content. And I also create custom Discord bots and custom commands. So if you want to build your dream bot, then come to my Discord server and contact me.